The US has formally given back land used for one of its military bases in Japan. Locals have been protesting against the base in Okinawa for years after a series of allegations of abuse by US soldiers. But as Mayu Yoshida reports, the American military will still operate on the island.
After more than 2 decades of negotiation, the United States finally made a deal to return its military land to Japan. The deal covers 10,000 acres of jungles in Japan's southernmost prefecture of Okinawa, where some of the most beautiful beaches in Japan and many American bases can be seen. Now, keep in mind that this is the biggest transfer of land between the U.S. and Japan since 1972. But this much-anticipated deal is not enough to reduce frustrations and anger of the Okinawa residents. Now, I'll get back to why later on. But on Thursday, the government held a ceremony in Okinawa to mark the return, where U.S. Ambassador to Japan Caroline Kennedy attended. However, the governor of Okinawa, Takeshi Onaga, boycotted the ceremony as a protest against U.S. military in Okinawa. Now, a day before, a Japanese prime minister and Kennedy both vowed to reduce burden of Okinawa. Now, for a very long time, there have been tensions between the people in Okinawa and the U.S. military because military aircrafts fly right over residential areas, including the school district. So residents are complaining that this training the U.S. military is conducting is very noisy and dangerous. Plus, crimes and accidents by American military personnel have really frustrated residents for a very long time. And those tensions really surged earlier this month when an Osprey aircraft crashed off Okinawa. And this was the first accident in Asia involving the Osprey aircraft. So the Okinawa governor is really boycotting the ceremony as a protest against this accident. Now, despite local protests, Okinawa still plays a key role in regional security amid unpredictable moves in China and North Korea.